Okay, you purchased a new press brake or a new hydraulic clamp, and everybody's going to new standard tooling. But what do you do with all your old tooling? You know, you get special dies or old tooling you've had for years. Let's say if you got European tinning, so you make an adapter that'll go from new standard to European. Now, see, that's not locked, but if I lock the machine, this will self-seat, just like your new standard clamp. Now you could use a bunch of these like section clamps and build it for box work or whatever. It allows you to use your European tooling. Also, this clamp you can turn it around because it's new standard. It's symmetrical. You're able to turn your punch by turning it around.